What you guys, got another video here for you. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how we can resolve the working offline or the red cross on Outlook. Now, one of my YouTube subscribers said that he's got this red cross down here and he can't send or receive emails, and the reason for that is because you are in working offline mode. And let me show you what that is. So you can see the little red cross on our Outlook down the bottom here, and that's just a working offline feature that's built into Outlook itself. So you can see down here now, if I hover down the bottom, it says all accounts are working offline. Now, why would you have this feature in the first place? Well, the reason why you've got this feature is because if you was out of office and you wasn't connected to the network or internet, basically you can go into working offline mode and you can continue working in Outlook. And basically what that will do is it will create a file called an OST file, and it's basically a file that you can now use when you're offline, and when you go back online it will automatically connect to the Exchange, and it will then update all your work that you've done offline. So that folder is an offline folder basically. Now what you need to do is to get back online is go up to where it says send and receive here, and there's a button here that says work offline, and you can see here disconnect from the server, work offline if you do not want to receive a new email. So you won't be getting any new emails coming through because you're in offline mode. To go back online, you just click this and it will start to connect to the Exchange. You will see some writing down here saying connecting to the Exchange, and you will then be connected. Now what people normally do is when they're out of office, they take their laptop with them, they will go in work offline mode, they will continue working with their emails and stuff, and basically when they get back home and connect to the network, they will go back online by clicking this button, and all the work that they've done offline will then update and get back updated there. The problem you may still have if you can't get back online is because there's a corruption in the OST file, and you'll need to fix that issue. And let me just show you what you can do here to try and resolve that problem. So what you want to do if you're still having issues connecting, that means you've got a corruption or corrupt file, OST file. You need to go to File, then Account Settings, and the account settings here. This will open up this box. So once you're inside here, you want to go to Data File, and this will then show you a little tab here called Settings. Go into Settings, and inside here you're looking for the Compact Now. This will compact the OST file and try to get it compact and working. If it doesn't work and it's still corrupted, you need to remove that file, and it will repopulate that file for you. So let me just quickly show you. Once you've clicked on the Compact Now, if you're still having issues with that, let me go close here, and we're going to go back to where it says email, and from here what you want to do, there is a little repair feature. You can try to run the repair tool here, but if that doesn't work, what you can do here is go to where it says data file, open file in location. This will open up the file where it is located on your machine, and yours will say OST, not PST. It will be OST here, but this is a PST file, but yours will say OST, and you'll see the size of it, which is normally if it's too big you can get a corrupt file because the file is too big, or it will be because it's got corrupted in some way, shape or form. So remember, we're talking about an OST file here, not a PST file, and it will probably be in a different location. So what you need to do here, you won't be able to delete this file because we've got our program open. So if you try to delete it, it won't allow you to delete this file, okay, because you have got Outlook open. So what you're going to need to do is close off Outlook itself. So you need to close this off and close that off, and now you've got the location where you are. You need to delete the OST file, which will be your account file there, and basically restart Outlook. Once you've deleted this file and you restart Outlook, it will connect to the Exchange and start to rebuild that account for you. It will be slightly smaller, but that is the only way that you're going to fix and repair that issue. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. So basically that's how you can resolve the working offline problem and resolve a corrupt OST file. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope this one's been helpful to you. Have a great weekend, guys, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.